SQL injection is a technique that attackers use to gain unauthorized access to a web application database by adding a string of malicious code to a database query. Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Stunts. I hope you are doing well and you have already watched the previous two videos of SQL injection and types of SQL injection respectively. In this video, I am going to talk about how is an SQL injection attack performed. So let's deep dive into it. SQL is a language used in programming that is designed for data in a relational data stream management system. SQL queries execute commands including commands to retrieve data, update data, and delete records. To execute malicious commands, an attacker can insert malicious code into strings that are passed to a SQL server to execute. There are several ways that malicious users can execute an attack, but common vulnerable inputs in a web application or web page are user input fields like forms that allow free text. SQL injection usually occurs when you ask a user for input like their username, user ID, and instead of a name or ID, the user gives you an SQL statement that you will unknowingly run on your database. So I hope you have got some idea about it. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, comment your queries in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more such informative videos.